Sam, can I ask you something?
Sure. What's up?
Okay, so last week, you didn't come to my birthday dinner.
Oh no, Ella, I'm so sorry about that.
I made pasta. Homemade pasta, Sam.
Wait, homemade?
Yes! And you know what I keep thinking?
What?
I keep thinking you would have loved it.
That hurts.
It should.
Okay, I would have come. I really would have, but my car broke down.
Sure it did.
It did. I'm serious. I would have been there if my car was working.
All right, I believe you. Maybe.
Wait, did you just teach English without me noticing?
Maybe I did.
Hold on. You would have loved it. I would have been there. We just used those naturally, didn't we?
We did, and that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Would have plus a past participle.
Yes, things that didn't happen, but we imagine them anyway.
Like imagining the pasta I missed.
Exactly like that. And trust me, it was delicious.
You're really not letting that go, are you?
Not today, no. Okay, let's make this super simple. Would have plus a past participle. We use it to talk about the past, something that did not happen, but we imagine what could have happened.
So, a past dream? A past maybe?
Oh, I like that. A past maybe. Yes.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Imagine you didn't study for a test, and you failed. Later you think, I would have passed if I had studied.
But you didn't study.
Right. So it didn't happen, but we imagine it.
Got it. So we use it to say this was possible, but it didn't happen.
Perfect. That's exactly it.
Okay, say it slower for our listeners.
Of course. The structure is would have plus a past participle, like eaten, gone, done, seen, been.
So, I would have eaten the pasta.
Yes!
She would have gone to the party.
Perfect.
He would have been so happy.
Sam, you're a natural.
I know.
Okay, stop. Everyone listening, repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
I would have gone.
I would have gone.
She would have called.
She would have called.
They would have known.
They would have known.
Good. Say it again. I would have gone. She would have called. They would have known. Keep those in your head. We're going to use them.
Okay, Ella. Give me a real-life situation, like a job interview.
Oh, great choice. Okay, imagine you had a job interview, but you were late. You didn't get the job. What do you say later?
I would have gotten the job if I wasn't late?
So close. We say, if I hadn't been late. Past perfect in the condition. But yes, the feeling is right. I would have gotten the job if I hadn't been late.
Okay, so we can also use it with if?
Yes, very often. I would have done this if something had been different.
That's so useful.
It really is. Okay, another one. Travel situation.
Oh, I love travel.
You missed the plane.
Oh, no.
What do you say?
I would have made the flight if the taxi had come on time?
Beautiful. Perfect sentence.
I'm kind of good at this.
Don't get too confident.
Too late.
Quick question for everyone watching. Think about this. Yesterday, you had a choice. You could have done something different. What would that be? Maybe you would have called a friend. Maybe you would have eaten something healthier. Maybe you would have gone for a walk.
I would have gone to Ella's birthday dinner.
Sam,
I'm just practicing.
sure you are. But seriously, everyone, think of your sentence. Write it in the comments. I would have. We love reading your sentences.
Okay, what about would have been? Is that different?
Great question. Same idea. But we use been when we're talking about a state, a feeling, a situation.
Like how something felt or how someone was?
Exactly. For example, that movie would have been amazing if it had a better ending.
Like a disappointed film review.
Yes. Or the trip would have been perfect if it hadn't rained every day.
I feel that.
We've all been there.
So, would have been describes what something was like in an imaginary past.
Yes. How something would have felt. How someone would have been. The state of something.
Okay, let me try. The party would have been more fun if Sam had been there.
Oh, wow. Using it against me now?
Just practicing.
Okay, that was actually a perfect sentence. Well done.
Thank you. I learned from the best.
You did.
Wait. Can I say I would have be there?
No.
No?
No, Sam. It's would have been, not would have be.
But be is the base form. Isn't that right?
Not here. After have, we always use the past participle, not the base form.
So it's been. Always been.
Always. Say it with me. I would have been.
I would have been.
She would have been.
She would have been.
They would have been.
They would have been. Okay, I feel it now.
Good. Don't forget it.
That was a trap, wasn't it? You wanted me to make that mistake.
Maybe a little.
You're evil, Ella.
I'm a teacher. Same thing sometimes. Everyone, repeat after me. Slowly. Out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready? Here we go.
I would have called you.
I would have called you.
She would have been happier.
She would have been happier.
We would have gone together.
We would have gone together.
One more time. Faster now.
I would have called you. She would have been happier. We would have gone together.
Great! If you said those out loud, amazing. You're training your mouth. That's how English becomes natural.
Okay, what about the negative? Like, I would not have done that.
Yes, great. The negative is easy. Just add not. Would not have. Or the short form, wouldn't have.
So, I wouldn't have gone to that restaurant. The food was terrible.
Perfect. You're saying you made a bad choice. And now looking back, you think, I should not have gone.
I wouldn't have ordered the fish.
Bad experience?
Very bad experience.
Okay, so the negative is wouldn't have plus a past participle.
She wouldn't have said that.
Yes.
They wouldn't have known.
Perfect.
I wouldn't have believed it.
You're on fire today.
I told you, natural talent.
Yeah. Let's do a work situation. Imagine your colleague forgot to send an important email. Your boss is angry. What does your colleague say?
I would have sent it, but I had a problem with my computer.
Good. Or maybe, I wouldn't have forgotten if someone had reminded me.
Oh, blaming someone else. Classic.
That's very human, isn't it?
Very. Okay, one more. School situation.
Sure. Imagine a student didn't do their homework. The teacher asks why.
I would have done my homework, but my dog ate it.
The classic excuse.
Timeless.
Okay, but seriously, I would have finished it, but I didn't understand the question.
That's more honest.
And more believable.
Okay, everyone, quick quiz. Are you ready? Let's go.
I'll say the situation. You think of the sentence. Ready?
Situation 1. You didn't go to the gym today, but you wanted to. What do you say?
Think about it. The answer? I would have gone to the gym, but I was too tired.
Situation 2. Your friend didn't call you on your birthday. How does she feel?
She might say, I would have called, but I lost my phone.
Situation 3. The weather was terrible. Your picnic was ruined. How was the day supposed to be?
It would have been a perfect day if the weather had been nice.
Did you get them? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, one more situation. Meeting new people, like at a party.
Oh, social situations. My favorite.
Imagine you were very nervous at a party. You didn't talk to many people. Later, you think about it.
I would have talked to more people if I hadn't been so nervous.
Yes, or I would have introduced myself, but I didn't know what to say.
I would have been more confident if I had practiced more.
Oh, that's a nice one. I would have been more confident. That's would have been again, describing a state.
The state of being confident.
Exactly. See how it works?
It's all coming together.
It really is.
Okay, let's bring it all together. What are our key phrases today?
All right. Number 1, would have plus a past participle for things that didn't happen in the past.
Like, I would have gone.
Number 2, would have been for states, feelings, situations.
Like, it would have been amazing.
Number 3, wouldn't have for the negative.
Like, I wouldn't have said that.
And number 4, we often use it with if. I would have if something had been different.
Like, I would have come to the birthday dinner if my car hadn't broken down.
Which I still don't fully believe.
Ella,
I'm just saying.
my car really broke down.
The pasta was amazing, Sam. It really would have changed your life.
You're breaking my heart. Okay, everyone. That was would have plus a past participle. And I think we would have been lost without this lesson.
Oh, that was smooth.
Thank you. If you're watching this right now, you're doing something great. You're learning, you're practicing, and every minute you spend with English makes you better. So here's your homework. Think of 3 things you would have done differently this week. Write them down, say them out loud.
I would have.
I would have been.
I wouldn't have.
Share them in the comments. We love reading them. We really do.
And if this helped you today, come back tomorrow. We'll be here.
With more English, more fun.
And maybe some homemade pasta.
Please.
I need it. See you next time.
See you next time, everyone.